Girl, guess what? Junior and I are dating now. Like, oh my gosh, I really think he's the one.
Junior? Are you serious? My girl, as your best friend, I don't think Junior is the right man for you. Look how much women Junior has been with. The man is 40 years old and he can't settle down. You deserve way better than that for your life. Come on, man.
I know that, but I just feel like he's never met the right woman. I'm the right woman. Look at me. I am young and educated. About to start my own law firm. What more could he ever want? All the women Junior has ever been with, they've got nothing on me.
My friend, that don't mean a thing. He has never stayed with a woman very long. Remember, Junior is a big international film director. He has a lot of money and a lot of young girls are throwing themselves after him every which part him go. Why do you think I'm going to settle down with you?
This is me. I know I can get him to settle down. I can change him. And to how he professes his love for me, I know that I'll be getting my ring soon. Hooray!
Alright then, my girl, do your thing. But always remember somebody did warn you. You may just get the shock of your life.
Baby, I know I'm glad to you in my life though. Will never trade you for nobody else. You see a girl like you, I often make you my wife,
For real? When are we going to get married?
Babes, no worry yourself, man. Just know that you're my girl for life.
Wow. Aw, I love you, Junior.
Love you too, my baby.
Your body right, full of ambition that me like. Girl, you can just call me whenever you want me. Smile for me, girl, baby, come on. You not know what you do when you smile for me. Girl, you can just call me whenever you want me. Dance for me, girl, baby, come on. You not know what you do when you dance for me. Girl, you can just call me whenever you want me.
Junior, I want to talk to you.
Yo, where you want, man?
Why are you treating me this way? I don't deserve it.
Me have somewhere for going now. You hold up my time.
Who are you going to meet? That same woman that has been continuously calling your phone at 3 a.m. in the mornings?
How much time you gonna tell you say my clients them a call me? Anyways, you call me, so tell me where you want.
We've been together for 7 years. We have 5 children together. When are you going to marry me? Several years ago, you promised me that you're definitely going to make me your wife. What more do I need to do to prove that I love you? What more do I need to do to prove to you that I'm a good and loyal woman? I stayed by your side after all the times you cheated on me. I didn't give up on you. What more do I need to do? Junior, I'm talking to you.
Right now, me not think of this me really want. Never the things me want to pursue in life, is it?
Junior, you're 47 years old, and I am 30. We are not getting any younger. We both are already successful. What more do you need to pursue? What haven't I done to show you that you're the man I want to spend the rest of my life with? I almost died giving birth to our last child. What more do you want from me?
A them thing I'm not like boy, Every time I just overreact and a ball. What do you, man? Sure. And truthfully, it not really work out.
Junior, are you really trying to end this relationship right now? Just like that? I'm good enough to have your children. but not good enough to be your wife? I've given 70 years of my life to you, and you're going to turn your back on me and our children? You're going to leave me with our 5 children? Junior, why are you so cruel to me?
Yo, I just time. And as a matter of fact, me kinda move on with my life.
Moved on? Moved on with who?
My fiance, are you ready to go? The bridal boutique is closing soon.
You're getting married to my best friend?
Sorry, my dear.
Jeez and bees, yo. Me tell her to stay in the car and wait till me come. Why you coming at the yard for, man?
Smile for me, girl. Baby, come on. You not know what you do when you smile for me. Girl, you can just call me whenever you want me. Dance for me, girl. Baby, come on. You not know what you do when you dance for me. Girl, you can just call me whenever you want